What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'm going to be swapping these with some used tires and rims that I got off Marketplace for cheap. Let's go pick them up and I'll show you my creative way of mounting and installing tires and rims on my Hummer. Got the BFGs sardined in the back seat. Got one dangling off the bike rack. Well, Lissy and I just got done picking up the rims. I'm gonna start by wiping down the inner part of the rim. And if your vehicle, in my case the H3, if it has tire pressure monitoring systems, go ahead and install those first. It's nice and snug now. I'm going to go ahead and mount the first tire on this rim. I'm going to make sure that the bead is nice and clean, and I'm going to make sure it's lubricated with a little bit of soapy water to make sure I don't mess anything up with the spoons, and just making sure the bead stays nice and clean. I'm going to start from the back side here. Alright, now I've got the rim about halfway in the tire. Now I'm going to start taking bites out of it with the tire spoon. Nice and slow, little bites. Taking care not to scratch the rim or gouge the bead. Alright, that's half in. I'm going to end at the valve stem. The valve stem should also be aligned with the red dot on the tire. This is a light spot on the tire. And as I'm going, trying to push this bead into the recess in the rim. There we go. Tires on the rim. Now I just have to set the bead with some air, and this one will be ready to go. Rinse and repeat. If you're in the situation I'm in, I don't have a air compressor, so what I'm gonna do is drive Brutus, this 86 Astrovan RV project, over to my local gas station and get some free air so I can get the bead set on this bad boy. If you're interested in finding a little bit more out about Brutus, feel free to head over to your search bar and type in The Vandits. On a mission. Now I'm just setting the bead. I have the valve core out. Let me check that. As the tire makes a loud pop noise, I know the bead is set. I'll stop airing up and plug it with my finger. Now I can reinstall the valve core. And I'll continue airing. Damn thing's got me feeling like Dale Jr. out here. Alright, we'll see how the new tires feel. It's kind of hard for me to tell what to be looking for, honestly, but whatever. They feel good. At full steering lock, the tires just barely rub the sway bar. I'm okay with it, and thanks for watching.